Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset the code on one of these Liftmaster garage door openers. Let's get started. So first you're going to want to go ahead and open your garage door from inside. So once we've got our garage door open, we can now begin our process of resetting our code. So first you're going to want to hold the star and pound key together until it stops flashing. Next, you're going to want to put in your 4-digit code. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by the pound key. Next, you're going to want to hit the number 8, followed by the pound key. Then you're going to want to go up to your garage door opener and press this learn button here. That's the yellow button on the side, and you'll see the indicator light is on. And then we put in our 4-digit code again, followed by 0. So now let's try to close this up. And that appears to be working, so let's just give this a second until it's no longer highlighted and we'll just test it again. And you can see now it's opening. So just to run through that one more time, you start off with the pound and the star key, hold those until it's done flashing, then put in your 4-digit code followed by the pound key, then the number 8 and then the pound button, then hit the learn button on your garage door lift, and then put in your 4-digit code one more time, followed by the number 0. And on this keypad, you can see there's no enter button, and this is the only way that I've figured out how to reset the code on this one. For what it's worth, I have a Liftmaster 8010 lift inside the garage, so that's the unit that I'm using here. Hope you guys find this helpful. Thanks for watching.